إذا كنت من المتابعين الجدد اشترك الآن في القناة ليصلك الجديد بالضغط على الزر الأحمر أسفل القناة مع تفعيل الجرس، ولا تنسوا دعم المقطع بلايك. شكرا لكم جزيل الشكر.
Symptoms of failed hemorrhoids and how to avoid their failure. Symptoms of hemorrhoid failure. The doctor builds the hemorrhoid product as a treatment option for some patients who suffer from hemorrhoids and do not resort to home methods or other treatment methods. After undergoing the operation, patients feel as much as possible and wonder about the symptoms of hemorrhoid failure until they are sure if it is a method or not. Below we will show you in this video the most important information related to the symptoms and problems of operation failure. The usual symptoms after hemorrhoid surgery. After hemorrhoid surgery, you will inevitably experience some symptoms, which may last for a period of time, but they do not mean the operation has failed. The most famous of these symptoms are the following. A state of pain may occur for a period of up to 4 weeks. Feeling itchy, some light bleeding appears. Some fluids emerge from the anus, which may appear in different colors, ranging from clear to yellow. All of these symptoms may last for a while and there is no need to worry about them, as your doctor will give you some instructions that you need to adhere to, and he will also prescribe some medications for you, which will help you deal with what you are going through. Symptoms of a failed hemorrhoid operation. After the operation, you may experience symptoms other than the usual symptoms. These may be symptoms that you experience shortly after the operation or other symptoms that may occur in the long term. Exposure to such signs may be an indication of the symptoms of a failed hemorrhoid operation. These signs are the next. Symptoms that appear shortly after the operation. Symptoms may appear as a result of the failure of the operation, especially if these symptoms occur together, as the patient may suffer from bleeding occurs in the area where hemorrhoid surgery was performed, occurrence of urinary incontinence and inability to control the bladder, infection of the area, which may lead to blood poisoning in the long term, holding stool and not being able to pass it. As a result of infection in the area, the person may develop a fever, and in rare cases, abscesses may appear. Long-term symptoms. Symptoms of failed hemorrhoid surgery can appear after a longer period of time. Such symptoms as the reappearance of hemorrhoids again, narrowing of the anus, suffering from fecal incontinence, anal fissure, prolapse of mucous hemorrhoids. Skin tags after hemorrhoid surgery. Skin tags are considered one of the conditions that may appear long after the hemorrhoid surgery and occur after the recovery process from thrombosed external hemorrhoids, as they gather around the anus and do not cause any pain, but they may make the patient feel uncomfortable. These growths may occur more frequently in patients who suffer from digestive problems or other digestive diseases such as Crohn's disease, and they may need to remove these growths as a secondary procedure after the operation. But the matter is up to the patient's decision, especially since these growths do not cause any harm, but it only causes discomfort. How to avoid hemorrhoid surgery failure. If you have recently undergone hemorrhoid surgery, you should know that the hemorrhoid surgery and its success are related to several important factors, including your ability to adhere to the doctor's advice and directions, your commitment to taking the medications prescribed by your doctor, the extent to which you adhere to the diet that helps you avoid constipation, especially since it prevents the recurrence of hemorrhoids. Now, at the conclusion of the video about the symptoms of failed hemorrhoid surgery, we remind you that it is important to adhere to your doctor's instructions and avoid carrying heavy objects, especially in the first period after the operation, while taking some laxatives prescribed by the doctor, with our wishes for good health and wellness for you.
لو عجبك الفيديو ما تنساش تتفرج على الفيديو ده وكمان الفيديو ده، وما تنساش تعمل سبسكرايب للقناة وتفعل خدمة الجرس علشان يوصلك كل جديدنا.